In our previous videos, we have looked at different ways to add, subtract and multiply numbers, both mentally and by standard written algorithm methods. In this video, we're going to look at some division strategies. Let us start with the long division method. In the long division method, we first write the number to be divided, and then draw a line above it and a divider next to it, on the left. We then put the divisor on the other side of the divider. In long division, we start dividing from left to right. 4 divided by 4 gives us 1, so we put on top of 4. Since we have one group of 4, we remove that and we're left with 0. Next, we bring the next digit, 0, down. Since there is nothing for us to divide by 4, we put a 0 on top of the line, and remove 0. Bringing down the next digit, we have 9. 9 cannot be divided by 4 to give us a whole number, but we know that we can get 2 groups of 4 from 9, with a remainder of 1. So 2 goes on top of the line, while we remove 8 from 9. This leaves us with a remainder of 1 below. We then bring down the next digit, and now we have 16. 16 divided by 4 is 4, so following the same procedure as before, our answer is 1024. We call 1024 the quotient, and the remaining number left over below is called the remainder. In this case, the final number below is 0, so there is no remainder. Now that we have gone through the written method of long division, let us look at some other division methods that can be done mentally. To divide 4096 by 4, we can use the partition method to split 4096 into 4000s and 96 ones. We split the dividend up so that we may divide them separately. In this case, it is easy to divide 4000 by 4, so now let us look at 96 divided by 4. 96 is the same as 80 plus 16, so 96 divided by 4 is the same as 80 divided by 4 plus 16 divided by 4. So we get 1000 plus 20 plus 4, and that gives us our answer to 4096 divided by 4. Instead of partitioning or splitting our dividend, we can also look at breaking our divisor into smaller components. This is especially useful when we are dividing by large numbers where the times table would not be of much help in our quest to perform long division. For example, to divide 4096 by 64, we can first think of 64 as 2 times 32. So dividing by 64 would be the same as dividing by 2, then divide by 32. In the same way, we can also split 32 into 2 times 16, and then divide by 2, then by 16. We can keep doing this until we get the answer, or stop and do long division once we end up with a divisor that is within our times table, such as 8. What we did earlier on is also another strategy known as halving, when we divide by even numbers. We can always think of dividing by 2 as halving the number, and keep halving till we get the answer. Can you think of any other division strategies that may be useful for you?